नमस्कार। हरा धनिया बारीक कटा हुआ 1 आप सबको बहुत
Hi everyone, welcome to the 30-day Hindi challenge. I'm so excited that you all are joining me for this challenge. Let's go ahead and get started. Each day is going to be divided into 3 basic categories: vocabulary, the grammar key, and then drilling it or practicing. Now, vocabulary, I'm just going to say the words once and you can replay the video to practice pronouncing them, hearing the pronunciation, and memorizing them yourself. Then we're going to go into the grammar key. Basically, the grammar key just shows you what the structure of Hindi is like in this particular instance. It's kind of a set sentence that you can then plug different things into. I don't really get deep into the grammar because we're just doing 2 minutes a day. If you want to know more about the grammar, after this 30-day challenge is over, I suggest that you go to my website, hindyunlocked.com, and sign up for my beginner Hindi grammar course. But we're going to just go over the grammar in a very simple, in a very basic way. You're going to memorize that key, and then you're going to go to the third phase, which is drilling it. In drilling it, we just practice it. We just say the sentence over and over again, and we change the sentence following the grammar key or the grammar structure that I've already taught you. Anyways, it'll make sense once we go into it. So let's go ahead and get started. Our first word today is main, which means I. You might notice we write it M-A-I-N in English script when we Romanize it, but the N isn't really pronounced at the end of it. It's kind of nasalized. So if you hold your nose and say may, that's kind of the sound that you'll get. You'll feel your nose vibrate, but you don't actually pronounce the N sound. It's not main, it's may. So in Hindi, may is I. And then we also have to learn the helping verb that goes along with it, which is hoon. Again, this is nasalized. The N isn't actually pronounced, even though you may see it written hoon. We don't say hoon, we say hoon. So, who am. I am, may, whom, may, whom. Our next vocabulary word is student, and we would pronounce it vidyaarthi. In Hindi, student is vidyaarthi. Our next word is American. You'll have to forgive me if you're not an American and you're watching this. If you ask in the comments below, I will tell you the word for your nationality. But right now we're going to learn American because I happen to be American. So American, Amriki. All right, those are your 4 vocabulary words for today. Let's move on to learning the grammar key. Our grammar key for today is the phrase मैं हूँ. There's a blank in there. We can put any of these words that we've learned or other words that we're going to learn later into these blanks to make the statement I am whatever have you. I am a student. मैं vidyaarthi हूँ. मैं vidyaarthi हूँ. I am an American. मैं अमरीकी हूँ. मैं अमरीकी हूँ. That's your grammar key. All you have to do is plug a word into it and you can say the sentence, I am this or that. Now we're going to move on to the final portion of our daily challenge, which is drilling it. I can't emphasize enough the necessity of drilling and practicing what we learn. If you don't drill it, you're not going to be able to say and to produce these sentences that we're learning throughout this 30-day challenge. Please spend at least a minute or two practicing and drilling what you've learned in the lessons each day. Our drill for today is मैं हूँ, and then मैं विद्यार्थी हूँ, and finally मैं अमरीकी हूँ. To drill, yeah, of course it's the same right now as our grammar key, but as we layer on and as we go on to new lessons, we're going to be reviewing things that we learned in the previous lessons and layering on that complexity. So it's important to drill in this way after each day of the challenge. So when we drill, just spend a few minutes saying it over and over again, and then try to look away from your notes, look away from the guide, and just say it yourself, trying to remember it. मैं विद्यार्थी हूँ. And if you have time, come back to it at a later date and drill it again and practice it again. But if you're doing the entire 30-day challenge, we're going to be reviewing what we've learned each and every day. Thank you so much for joining us for this 30-day Hindi challenge. We will see you back in day 2.